up-and-comer with Galati Yacht Sales, and today we're aboard the 2016 101 Hargrave, named Cutting Edge. Let's go take a look. During today's walkthrough, I want you to take home a few key components that separates Motor Yacht Cutting Edge from the rest of her class. She's equipped with over $800,000 of added upgraded options, including the full Octoplex system with load shedding, the Naiad at-rest stabilizers, and the upgraded Flybridge AC package, giving her 72,000 BTUs with a designated chiller. On behalf of Galati Yacht Sales and myself, I would like to thank you guys for joining us aboard Motor Yacht Cutting Edge.